Apple is once again making headlines with exciting rumors about the iPhone 17 Pro Max. This time, the buzz is all about cooling technology, something iPhones have needed for years. With reports suggesting that Apple is integrating a vapor chamber cooling system, this could be a game changer for performance. But what does this mean for everyday users? And which models will actually get it? Let's break it all down. Why does the iPhone need better cooling? If you've ever felt your iPhone heat up while gaming, video editing, or multitasking, you know exactly why better cooling matters. Apple's A-series chips have become increasingly powerful, but that power comes with one big issue: heat. When an iPhone gets too hot, performance throttling kicks in, slowing everything down to prevent overheating. This can lead to laggy gameplay, choppy video processing, and overall sluggish performance. Unlike MacBooks, which use built-in cooling fans, iPhones rely on passive cooling, essentially heat spreaders like graphite and metal plates. But Apple might finally be changing that with the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. Vapor chamber cooling, what's the big deal? The vapor chamber cooling system is a technology already used in gaming smartphones and high-end Android devices. It helps distribute heat more efficiently, preventing performance drops and overheating. If the iPhone 17 Pro Max gets this feature, it could mean smoother gaming performance with fewer frame drops, faster video rendering for content creators, less overheating during heavy tasks like 4K recording, better battery efficiency since the processor won't need to throttle as often. Several reports, including leaks from Instant Digital and MyDrivers, claim that Apple will only bring this technology to the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max, not the standard models. If true, this would give the high-end models a serious edge over the iPhone 17 and 17 Plus. Will the iPhone 17 have a new design? While some fans were hoping for a radical redesign, maybe a smaller notch or thinner bezels, leaks suggest that Apple is keeping things similar on the front and instead focusing on internal improvements. That means the changes will mostly be under the hood, with better cooling, improved chips, and possibly better battery efficiency. What about the processor? The iPhone 17 Pro models are rumored to feature Apple's N19 Pro chip, expected to be even more powerful than the current A-series chips. Combined with the vapor chamber cooling, we could see faster speeds without as much heat buildup. This could put the iPhone 17 Pro Max ahead of its competition in terms of raw performance. Final thoughts: is this a game changer? If these rumors are true, the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max could offer a massive performance upgrade for power users. Gamers, content creators, and multitaskers will benefit the most from less throttling, smoother performance, and improved battery life. But for those who use their phones for everyday tasks like browsing, streaming, and messaging, the standard iPhone 17 might still be a solid option without the premium price tag. What do you think? Would better cooling make you more excited for the iPhone 17 Pro Max? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And for more technology review updates, don't forget to hit that subscribe button